best peach cobbler recipe ever. This peach cobbler recipe calls for 10 ingredients. 2 cups of peaches, shortening, a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, a pinch of nutmeg, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so the first step is to preheat the oven to 350. Okay? If you forget to preheat the oven to 350, you're gonna be sad. You are gonna get some shortening, and I use wax paper to spread it, but you can use whatever you want, paper towel, whatever. You just spread it around really fast and make sure you get every spot for the peaches into the pan. And the recipe calls for 2 cups of peaches, but I like to do a little more because I love peaches. Alright, so after you got the peaches in there, you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. Because we're going to pour in the butter and the sugar, and we're going to mix it all together, right? Mix it up really nice. You're going to put in the flour, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. It says a pinch of salt, so make sure you pinch the salt real nice, okay? So we're just going to take the salt and we're going to pinch it. And it says a pinch of nutmeg, but I think we should do a shower of nutmeg because I love nutmeg. The recipe says nutmeg is optional. I don't think it's optional. Now we're going to mix all of those ingredients together. So if you've made cookies before, they'll look very familiar. It should be kind of thickish. 1 egg. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, and then we'll mix that all together. Take the dough, and you're going to get all out of the pan. It's going to make a big ball like this. And we're going to spread it all over these peaches over here. Okay? Put it all over the peaches. And then we put it in the oven. And now we wait for 35 minutes. I should probably clean up my mess. You should too. Our peach cobbler will be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2. Somebody's at the door. Shh. Oh, ha. This is the best peach cobbler in the world. Alright, bye. Thank you very much. She's coming back. Hide. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and click the little bell for notifications. Let's go.